couple of weeks ago, I was at the Steel Fab show in Dubai. Whilst there, I visited the Hwacheon stand, and a fantastic stand it was as well. Now, you'll know that Hwacheon is the largest privately owned machine tool manufacturer in South Korea. Ward Hi-Tech here in the UK are the distributors for the Hwacheon product. Now, some of the machines that were on show that really caught my eye at the event included the C1. Now, this is a multi-operational machine. This is a twin spindle machine with a Y-axis and a turret. But interestingly, it also has a tool changer within it, which means that you can have up to 30 tools, or you can standardize the machine to have 30 tools. Now, how good is that? How many manufacturers out there and engineers have got a turning center with twin spindles and one turret, and they have to keep changing the tools in the turret in order to go from maybe operation to operation or job to job? I found the C1 a real innovation and a really interesting machine. And there was also the range of VESTA machining centres that were on show at the event. There was the VESTA 2000. This was a huge machining centre with over 800 millimetres in the Y-axis and over 2 metres in the X-axis. There was also the VESTA 1000, which was the smaller vertical machining centre, which was almost the baby of the family. Both of these machines were in action, and both of those machines can be purchased here in the UK through Ward Hi-Tech. They were also showing me their factory software, their monitorization of machines, their Industry 4 LED products, which means that you can monitor the machines remotely, and you can make sure you're being as efficient as possible. And they were also quite pleased, and I was impressed to see the fact that on their stand you were able to download the brochures directly to your phone using their latest technology. Now, Hwacheon as a brand, they sell hundreds of machines, thousands of machines around the globe. If you're looking for turning centres, machining centres, even 5-axis machines, as I say, at the Steel Fab show, it was impressive to see the presence that they had there. And not only there, here in the UK, Ward Hi-Tech, you can purchase all the Hwacheon machines through the dealership here. They can supply fantastic terms, and as we speak today, they're doing a buy now, pay December 2020 on some of the stock from Hwacheon, which includes this machine and many others behind me.